Hello everyone, I am Chef Christy and I am really glad that you're watching today. To all my subscribers, I just want to say a welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, I share simple, quick, and delicious recipes each and every week. So hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell, and then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. Now what I want to show you today is a meal that is very basic, very easy. It's things that you have in your kitchen, more than likely, or in your pantry. And I grew up with this meal, and we used to call it a silver turtle. Now, it's also known as a foil meal, or I've even heard it called a hobo meal. And the reason why we called it a silver turtle is because you make everything in a foil packet and it's just silver, and I guess it looks like a turtle. Anyway, I just want to go over these ingredients with you, and these are just things that I just pulled right out of my refrigerator, and I just want to show you just how to make it. Okay, so I have about 1.5 pounds of hamburger, and then literally this is just some vegetables that I had in my refrigerator that I needed to get used up. So I have some broccoli, some Brussels sprouts, carrots, potatoes. I have a yellow bell pepper, an onion, and then the seasonings that you can use. I just want to show you some options. This is just a Lowry's seasoned salt and pepper. You can use lemon pepper, and then I usually always put a little bit of Worcestershire in there as well. But I'm just going to show you just how I make it. And like I said, it's very basic, but these are delicious. Okay, I just want to show you really quickly how I put this together. And the thing that's really nice about this is everyone in your family can put whatever vegetables they want in them. And another tip is when you have carrots, just to go ahead and cut those carrots up in smaller chunks. That way they'll cook a little bit better. But you just put whatever vegetables you want in the center of your foil. I'm gonna put a lot of Brussels sprouts in mine. Okay, so then when you add your meat, here's another little tip. Now we used to just make a patty and put on the bottom, but what we found is it just seems to cook better if you just take some meat and just kind of scatter it around the vegetables. So however much meat you want, again, that's optional. And you could use any meat. You could use ground chicken, turkey, pork, Italian sausage, kielbasa. I mean, it is just whatever you want. Okay, so then I'm going to just put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, some pepper, some salt. I'm going to put a little bit of this Lowry's seasoned salt on here. All right. So then I'm going to fold this up. And so what you want to do is take two ends together, and then you want to just roll them down. And you want to get the heavy duty foil. That's important. So you just roll it down, and then take one end and roll it up. Okay, here's another tip. So I've got one end up, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour just a little bit of water down inside, and that will steam everything, and it just keeps it from burning, it seems like. So that is my silver turtle. And something that we always do is we write our initials or our name, but I'm going to put a K on there for me. Okay, so my husband spread out the coals of the fire, and I'm just going to place these right onto these hot coals. cook them for about 10 minutes on each side. You could do this on a grill, but this is best. But you can do it in a grill, you can even do it in your oven. Okay, I stand corrected. It is 15 minutes on the first side. You flip them and then you cook it about 10 more minutes on the second side. All right, do you see how they're starting to kind of puff up? They're gonna be delicious.
Do it on fire.
Okay, so they are all done and we've got the moment of truth. And this is part of the fun of it, is just like opening a package. So, very carefully because it's still very hot. Let's see. This is taking me a little bit. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks so pretty. I want to show you a picture of this. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Okay, it is all done and it is delicious. I've got to try it. Oh man. That is so good. The potato and the carrot's done. And you've got I've got Brussels sprouts in here, so I just feel like it's healthy. It's seasoned well. You have got to try this. And like I said, you don't have to do it over coals. We used to do this camping. You can do it on your grill or even in your oven. It is delicious. I hope that you try. I've enjoyed cooking for you today, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.